Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to do Chicago style footnotes in Word. First you need to click at the exact point in the text where you want the footnote numbers to be appear. So then you need to click on the reference tab in the top ribbon and click on the insert footnote. So Word will automatically insert a superscript number in your text and jumps your cursor to the bottom of the page for the footnote entry. So here at the bottom of the page you need to type the citation in Chicago format. For example, if you reference the books, for this you need to put the dot after one and space and then put the first name and last name. For example, Michelle Maria, comma, space, and then you need to put the title of the book, for example, AI Technology, space, and open the bracket and type the place of publication. For example, New York, colon, and then put the publisher, for example, Technopress, comma, and the publication year, for example 2026, and close the bracket and comma and give the page reference, for example 25 to 31 and dot. So click on the reference and click on the show notes and your cursor will jump to the number 1 reference. Moreover, keep in mind Chicago footnotes are typically in a smaller font than body tags. Word default to the 10 pt if the body is 12 pt. Like you can click on home and the body is 12. When you click on this footnote, go to the home, you can see that it is 10 pt. This is the usually already correct. So if you want to give another Chicago style footnote, for this you need to place your cursor and then click on the reference and click on the insert footnote. So Word will automatically generate number 2 in the footnote. You just need to again put the dot and fill the other necessary information. For example, if you want to give the general footnote, then you need to type the first name and second name. For example, Mark Word, comma, and the title of the article. For example, the case for reparations and comma, double quote, space, and the journal name, volume. For example, the Atlantic 315, comma, and the number, for example number 5. Put the space, open the bracket and publication year 2026, close the bracket, colon, and the page reference, for example 45 to 55 and dot. And then click on the reference and click the show notes and your cursor will jump to the number 2. So this way you can easily make Chicago style footnotes in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.